In this video, I'm going to show you how to open YouTube Analytics. So to watch and see YouTube Analytics, firstly you need to type this studio.youtube.com. So open Chrome browser, then type studio.youtube.com. It will ask to sign in your account, so provide Gmail and password and sign in your YouTube channel. Then in this left side panel you will see Analytics. Here is the option Analytics, so just click on it. Now you will find all data about your channel like views, watch time, subscriber in last 28 days. You can customize like you want to watch and you want to analysis last 7 days, so select here. And here are some more options like last 90 days, last 365 days, and lifetime, as a year, as a month. And also custom, you can select any date to check and to analysis that particular date. Then click on apply. Here it's overview and it's reach, so impression and impression click through rate you will find here. Engagement like watch time hours and average view duration, and audience. So this is friends, by this simple step we can know how to open YouTube Analytics. Thanks for watching this video.